We drove the Tata Altroz iCNG and diesel variants recently, and here's our review.
Hello and welcome to Turn of Speed. I'm Rachna Tyagi. Today we are here in Bangalore to drive the updated Tata Altroz, and we're going to tell you everything that you need to know about this absolutely gorgeous looking hatch. So stay tuned. Never before has an updated model of a car looked as stunning as this Altroz does. And we're absolutely in love with these beautiful aerodams over here. So much like the curve. This right here looks absolutely stunning on a hatch. It's really a very beautiful design tweak. So the updated Tata Altroz gets a brand new front fascia. Everything that you see on the grille right here, everything has been updated. It gets beautiful new bonnet lines. This panel over here in black looks absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, the headlamps have also been tweaked. Low beam, high beam, and this time around you also get really beautiful DRLs. The Tata Altroz also gets 16-inch tires, and it comes with these aero designed alloys, which helps in the aerodynamics. Now in the past, on hatchbacks, what we've seen are really flimsy ORVMs. Take a look at all the car makers who in the past have given you those really tiny ORVMs, most of the times adjustable by hand. Now what you get is this beautiful ORVM which really looks like it's been taken out of a very expensive luxury car. I mean, I remember something as grand as this when I was growing up on the Mercedes E-Class. Why should a hatchback driver not get a beautiful ORVM? And that is what Tata Motors has done right now. This ORVM just looks absolutely stunning, and it'll be a great asset for all the drivers who are constantly checking ORVMs while driving. A very, very important touch. Well done, Tata Motors. Tata Motors guys also tell us that there are some very subtle changes on both the doors. Plus, you also get new flush door handles on the Tata Altroz. Also, this beautiful line over here adds so much character to the sexy Altroz.
Now let's take a look at what the rear of the Altroz looks like.
You'll notice that the Tata Altroz also gets the shark fin antenna. At the rear also you will see that the Tata Altroz gets these beautiful LED lamps, really well lit, and this line extends all the way across the car. Also, this ribbed styling, a really nice touch. It feels really good, it's really well done. There's also a nice little brake light that's been provided by the company over here. A very useful feature indeed. One really good thing is that a hatch at this cost has also been provided with a rear wiper, and that's a real plus. Then there's also the Tata Altroz badging. It says Altroz, the letters are well spaced, not too much space, not too little space. Looks really well done. And of course, there's the iCNG badging to let you know that you're driving an iCNG car. It's going to take some getting used to locate this little button right here under this Tata logo. But once you get a hang of it, it's pretty easy. And you'll see that this is the iCNG version, but the cylinders, there are two of them this time around. They have been pretty well concealed. And of course, this is a factory fitted CNG kit, and it should serve the purpose really well. Plus, you also see that you get a lot of space for your luggage. You're not compromising on any luggage room in here, despite it being an iCNG variant. And there's also a nice little handle to pull this down and shut your Altroz. Now, did you know that Tata's Altroz gets its name from the bird albatross? And a great example of the albatross bird is also in Samuel Taylor Coleridge's poem, The Legendary Rime of the Ancient Mariner. If you want to know more about the bird and the kind of symbols associated with it, do check out that poem. However, what's common between the bird, albatross and the Altroz? Well, for starters, That bird is known to fly really long distances, and this car is also going to take you a very, very long distance. And the fact that it gets 180-degree doors that open so wide makes for really easy ingress as well as egress, so that your passengers are comfortably seated once they are inside. Today we are driving the iCNG version in this pure grey color. What do you think of this solid color? Do let us know in the comment section below.
Next, it was time to check out the Altros's interior.
Now the Tata Altroz gets a dual tone interior. There's grey as well as there's beige, and it really looks very, very different from anything that we've seen before. Now the door of the Altroz also gets dual tone interiors, and in our opinion it looks really fab. You can put in a 1 liter bottle easily. It should hold it really well. Also, check out the speakers. Now what's new on the Tata Altroz this time around is this beautiful beige colored upholstery. And this is not leather, it's a fabric upholstery, and that makes it really breathable during the hot, cruel summers of India. Now this upholstery is also going to be very easy to maintain because there are so many cleaners available outside in the market, and it's going to be a breeze to be able to clean this absolutely breathable upholstery. A very good choice, Tata Motors. Often when I'm driving, I find myself looking for an armrest, and the Tata Altroz gets an armrest which can also slide forward according to your liking. A really, really cool feature, I must say. This is also in fabric, and rest assured this isn't going to get as dirty as you think it will. As always, Tata makes use of a lot of different textures in here, and that's always a plus. Easy to wipe, easy to clean. You should be really sorted in terms of cleanliness of the interiors of your car. Also, you will notice that the vents design has been changed, and that really looks quite nice on this updated Altroz. That's a real plus from our side. The updated Altroz also gets a 10.25-inch touchscreen over here and a 7-inch screen right here. And this provides you with all the relevant driver-related information while you're driving, and the infotainment screen, of course, use it as you like it. Now, one of the things about the interiors of this Tata Altroz is the fact that Tata Motors has absolutely done away with any buttons. You hardly see any buttons over here, just 2 of these toggle switches, and otherwise it's absolutely clean. And everything can be controlled from this touchscreen over here. Like it? Don't like it? Let us know in the comment section below. Tata Motors has also provided absolutely spectacular ambient lighting, and of course the colors can be changed according to your mood. Lots of ways in which you can charge your devices. There's a 12-volt charger over here, and there's also USB so that you can charge your phones and other devices. Plus there's also a charging pad over here, so you're never going to run out of any juice on any of your devices. The Altroz also gets a sunroof. This sunroof is absolutely easy to operate. Just a click of the button over here and you're all set. And after a really long day, you're driving back from work, just open the sunroof and take the air in. Getting into the Tata Altroz is an absolute breeze. And you can also see that the Altroz comes with a very nice armrest. The height, the angle, really nice. And it also gets 2 cup holders so that you can put your beverages in right here. And this time around, the noteworthy thing on the Altroz is that they have enhanced the thigh support. And I've just been here a few seconds and I can already feel how comfortable it is. And there's also these scooped up seats, which means you get a lot of space, a lot of room here for your legs, a lot of leg room, a very, very comfortable angle. You're going to really enjoy sitting here in the rear seat. Also, adjustable headrests on the new updated Altroz. For the comfort of the rear seat passengers, there are AC vents that have been provided at the rear, And there's also a 65 watt USB-C charger so that your devices are charged up all the time. Now, when it comes to the engine, you will see
that the Tata Motors have provided the Tata Altroz iCNG with a 1.2 litre Revitron engine. Now, one of the things that you'll notice about the iCNG model is that the car starts in the CNG mode, and in case you want to switch to petrol, all you have to do is press on the CNG button over here and it automatically switches to petrol. Otherwise, just press on CNG, see the green light ignite, and you're all set. Let's go. Now the best part is that the iCNG variant feels beautiful to drive. You don't ever get the feeling that you're driving something that is inferior, for all the money that you're paying. Plus the fact that, this is available at only 7.89 lakhs. That's just absolutely incredible. Driving the iCNG variant feels super smooth. At no point in time do you feel as if it's sluggish or it's a very lethargic kind of engine. It feels absolutely zippy, and you will have absolutely no problems in having all the kind of fun that you desire from your car. This engine feels really robust, and it should be able to take you places where CNG is available, of course. But at no point in time does this driving feel compromised in any which manner. That's for sure. Now the Altroz iCNG is an absolutely smooth car. Not only is it smooth in terms of driving, but it's also a very smooth and very refined engine. You barely hear anything inside. It's not at all an audible engine. And that's the best part in owning something that switches between CNG and petrol. See the performance of this car when we are just going up this small little hillock. Can you believe this is a CNG car? Even the turning radius of this car is absolutely fab. Next, we took the Tata Altroz iCNG variant through some really bad patches of roads. And here's what we found out. Now this car is able to handle all kinds of bad roads, uneven surfaces in an absolutely brilliant manner. The suspension is so good, you barely feel anything inside. You may get the feeling of going through a really bad patch of road, but inside, smooth. This is a big one. But do you feel anything at all? Nothing. A great car to buy if you've just received your driving license. A great car to buy if you're a student. A great car to buy if you've just received your first salary. Also, a great car to buy for all those people who want to retire with something small and something economical. This makes a lot of economical sense in case you're looking at buying something for yourself as well as your entire family. All of you can go places, can go really long distances in this iCNG variant, and you're bound to have a lot of fun in this absolutely stunning car. So in case you're looking at buying yourself a hatch, do consider looking at the Tata Altroz. This updated version is really big on premiumness as well as styling, and you're going to be very happy with this purchase. That's something that I can totally assure you of. We also spent time driving the Altroz Diesel, a 1.5 litre turbocharged Revotorq engine mated to a 5-speed manual transmission, producing 90 bhp and 200 Nm of torque, and came away happy as a lark. You need something with more power and torque? In that case, you should really consider the 1.5 litre diesel engine from Tata Motors. A big reason for all the love that the Tata Altroz diesel engine receives, besides its performance of course, is the fact that it is also the only hatch with a diesel engine on offer. And that says a lot about Tata Motors, who are catering to those segment of buyers who are still hankering after them. Undoubtedly, for very valid reasons, of course.
As you know, Tata Motors is well known for their diesel engines, and after driving the iCNG Tata Altroz all morning, we also got some time with the 1.5 litre diesel engine. And what do we think of it? Well, let's just say that this is a very, very refined engine. Should you buy it? We'll say yes, go for it. And don't forget to let us know what you think of this gorgeous color over here. And so friends, if you enjoyed watching our video, don't forget to smash that like button. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Turn of Speed. See you in the next one. Ciao!